Today has been the ultimate adventure riding day, and I've been wearing the Spada Alberta 4-layer jacket and trouser combination. The Alberta jacket is made up of a visibility bib that goes on the top. There's this waterproof layer, which keeps a really good amount of the wind out as well, and it's easy to whip on and off, roll off, chuck it in the pocket and get out of the way. Underneath the waterproof layer is the main part of the jacket. It's a CE approved armoured mesh jacket with adjustable forearms, zipper cuffs, foam pocket on one side and a big pocket on the other. This jacket, it's been really warm. We've been tight in the trees today. The mesh jacket is really good. Combined with the rain jacket on top to keep the wind out, you've got really good two options for a cold morning ride. Whip the rain jacket off, and then the mesh jacket does a really good job of keeping you cool in the afternoons. And you've got the knowledge that it's got full CE approved armour in, including the back protector, which is always a good bit of peace of mind when riding on or off road. Underneath the main part of the jacket is a little thermal gilet. So that's a sleeveless jacket just to keep your chest area warm. You can kind of wear any bit of the jacket on its own, and it's also all purchasable separately, so you can buy each bit individually to wear on your adventure bike or off it afterwards. Available in a range of different colour options, the Spada Alberta jacket and trouser was developed using feedback from real-world riders. Spada held a range of different focus groups to see what features mattered most in a multi-layer jacket, before feeding back that development into the design and going through several loops until the perfect jacket and trouser combination was reached. Now the trouser has a thermal layer inside, which we've not used out here, it's been quite warm, and then CE approved armour in the knees and two zip vent pockets on either side on the legs. The trouser zips to the jacket as well, which is really nice for keeping those drafts out on a long road ride, and also gives the whole suit a little bit more security and makes you feel a little bit more cosseted when you're wearing it. I've been wearing it outside a set of adventure boots today, and the zip has kept everything nice and tight, not caught on the foot pegs, and the fit for me has been really nice. So overall, it's a really good value suit that offers a lot of flexibility for different temperatures, weather conditions, or different riding styles. If you want to find out more about it, go and check it out at spadaclothing.com.